If you have created project something like this, and in the main UI, in the UI, you have lots of image buttons that you insert. If you want to manage all of them, you can go to the tool and atlases. First, you can remove unused sound, object that you are not using in your project, remove unused keyframe animation, and of course, you can remove unused image that you are inserted in your project and not used in your project. Because if you want to go to export, you have to have light project to export. Going to the tool atlases, you can see it automatically create all of the images and PNG that you inserted in your project. From here, you can see their formats, offset, and positions of them in here. Just start bringing them together to better seeing that. If you click on atlases, you can make it optimize. It's automatically delete. You can see it's automatically delete all of the images that we didn't use in our images optimized, or we can rebuild it if you want. Actually, rebuild, it's rebuilding the position of the atlases or the images together. This is collecting all of the image at one file, and then you can export it better in the project. So in optimize, the most important thing is that. Okay. And from here, you can change the atlas number 1, width and height of that. That is okay for optimizing. Another important thing that you have to use anywhere in the software, for example, if you bring a navigation button, you can drag and drop to the image. Anywhere texture image in a software, you have access to Sprite editor if you click on this edit. If you want to insert your button, your 2D image, your 2D graphic, you have to drag and drop it here. For example, this is my window and I want to insert, for example, my logo here, and drag and drop as image, boom, here. And then it's in, if you save your project, it's always in your Sprite editor. And then, for example, you can save it, and then anywhere in image selected that you can access here, you can click on this pencil, and then you can access all of the images that you imported here, and you can select it again if you want. Okay. Or for example, we are in a main UI, for example, here or here, you can see we have an image again. If you click on edit, and if you want to add an image, you can access all of images that you import. So before using your image and before using your project, if you want to insert all of image that you want to use as a button, anything that you want, or you can click and drag and drop it directly here if you want. You can access all of them here if you insert at one time, and then you can access all of them. After that, you can go to assets and optimize your image that you are not using in your project but you inserted in. So these two tools are important, and before using the project you have to know about them.